Now they can hear us on the video. Exactly. Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh, cool.
No. Executive Tower, Cessna 1053 X-ray, ready for south departure at Bravo 18.
Cessna 1053 X-ray, Executive Tower, south departure approved, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 1853 X-ray. Alright, one last check here. Strobe, landing, beacon, green, 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 29908. Are you ready to go?
Hey, I'm ready. I'll be ready.
Alright, here we go. Feet on the floor.
Awesome, bud. Awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. I be liking it.
So do you want to see a steep turn?
Yeah.
Interested? Alright, so watch your knees. We're going to do a clearing turn, which just means that I'm going to make sure that there's nobody around. This is kind of a slow turn. They make you do this whenever you're training or you're doing any kind of maneuvers because you want to make sure that there's no traffic in the area. We'll go to about 180 here.
Heavy truck down there. Traffic.
Yeah, welcome to Kansas. Oh, look, there's a car. I see one person.
They do these kinds of maneuvers over our house.
Yeah, I mean...
We are in the area that these...
Oh, where they do all their practice?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're clear. Just so you don't feel like we're falling out of the airplane, I'm going to do a turn to the left here. Steep turn. Steep turn is 45 degrees of bank. Feel the G's?
Yeah. What? Yeah, there I feel the G.
When I pull back, because we're descending. Now that is a 45 degree bank. I roll out, I've got to put in raw outer right rudder. There we go. Pretty neat.
Yeah, that's...
You want to go right?
Yeah, let's go right.
Alright, we're going to look for traffic. We're good.
Just a Ford Focus.
Alright, there's about 45 degrees. You see, the trick is to keep it without climbing. It's very hard. Oh, I need to work on these some more. But you just pick a point on the cowling. You basically just want to keep the horizon there. And if you do that, then typically, yeah, like you can keep it just right. We can roll out.
Cool.
Back on our original heading.
Right, so that's the lake, so the airport's over here.
Correct. Yep. Executive Tower, Cessna 1053 X-ray is 9 to the southeast, inbound, full stop with Foxtrot.
Cessna 1053 X-ray, Executive Tower, airport left downwind, runway 18.
We'll report left downwind 1853 X-ray. That's it. So downwind is, if the wind is blowing this way, downwind is that way, right? Or I'm sorry, the wind is blowing, the wind is blowing from the south on the ground anyway. So downwind is with the wind, which right now we're with the wind. So he's telling us to enter a left, this is weird, a left downwind, which means I'm going to be on the right side of the airport to make left turns. Does that make sense? When he says make left traffic, that means you're going to be making left turns.
Oh, yeah.
In order to make left turns to get to the runway, I need to be on the right side of the airport. In this case.
And landing downwind.
Well, I'm going to be in the pattern downwind. Then when I make a left turn, then I'll be on base. And then I'll turn final, and then I'll be directly into the wind, which is where you always want to land, is into the wind, as much as possible.
18 taxi via Hotel Bravo.
Yes, so Hotel Bravo. No. And keep the air.
Right. Yeah. The slower that you're landing the airplane with ground speed, the better you are.
Right.
And you'll see we're downwind because we're going 116 knots. I'm only showing 100, so we got a 16 knot tailwind right now. And the whole time we're coming down because we need to be, and we're looking for traffic, but we need to be coming down to get into the pattern altitude, which is 2100. So we still have to lose about 1,500 feet. Executive Tower, 53 X-ray, left downwind 18.
This is 53 X-ray, clear to land number 1.
Clear to land, number 1, 18, 53 X-ray. We are clear to land. So we'll go over the numbers here.
Quebec, I have the traffic on final.
This is Quebec number 2, now to follow that Skycatcher, clear to land.
Clear to land number 2, Quebec.
And that is called a greaser.
Textbook, man.
Whoa, that was...
X-ray, monitor ground parking via Hotel Bravo.
Hotel Bravo, monitor ground, 53 X-ray. Thank you, sir.